Okay, so the first thing you want to do is head over to your cash flow dashboard and select create a forecast. Once you create a forecast, you should get this menu that asks you to add a billing partner. You're going to add ramp. You're going to go ahead and integrate that. That should only take a few seconds. Once you are integrated, you're going to head back to the cash flow dashboard and hit add a transaction. Then you're going to select billing partner and then select your ramp integration. From there, you'll see all of your bills listed for the forecasted period, or just all of your bills in general. You also have the option to continuously sync transactions from ramp into this forecast. That means if you have a new bill come in, those bills will be automatically placed into the forecasts that you select in the next step. Everything selected here, you'll just select next and then just choose which forecast you would like to add these ramp bills to. So you can select multiple or you can just select one. And as soon as you do that, you'll start seeing some cells that are shaded in purple. You can double click into these and you'll see the ramp bill listed here. You do not have the ability to update the value of the ramp bill. However, you can delete them if you would like. You can also categorize ramp bills. So head over to your transactions page and to the billing tab, and you'll see the ramp bills listed. So there's a Facebook ads bill, and I will categorize that as an advertising transaction. I will also categorize this as a gym supplies transaction. I'll leave the other one uncategorized for now. Head back to your cash flow dashboard and retoggle your forecast, and you'll see that the ramp bills are now in the corresponding category. You'll see that this is listed, that there's the Facebook advertising line item listed here as well.